All right. All right. What's up, guys? We are back, and currently, right now, we are in our trade from our pending order yesterday in profit, heading towards take profit. I'm actually not going to be on here too long. Just wanted to come on here and go over the pair that we are looking at, which was gold. As you guys know, we've been tracking this pair. I'm not going to be too long, as I mentioned, but let me break this down to you guys real quick. So throughout the week, we've been looking to see how we could get a good trade set up on gold. Now, this was not an easy task to do because you guys know gold has been consolidating all week. Now, the first setup that I had for gold was a gold sell, which went the right direction, and then it went right back up again. The next time it went back up, it took our stop loss after triggering our pending order. So what happened was I decided to say, okay, because this is what's happening, let me go ahead and change my decision for a buy, because I noticed the daily candles was opening bullish, and then we had daily entry given to us on the jackpot strategy at a different area. So if I play the market back, you guys are going to see exactly where daily entry was. All right, so this is the H1 time frame. Let's look at it from the H1 time frame perspective. All right, me and my team right now, we currently are on this trade in profit. We're going to keep holding. I have my destination already, where it's headed. So take a quick look here real quick. This could be a bit too much. Let me go over the clearer chart. So you see where it says DE? Okay, where it says DE, that means daily entry. Now, daily entry is now over here in this area here. Okay, that's where it's at right now, in this area here. But before that, daily entry was somewhere around here. So let's see what's the best time frame I can use to show this example. All right, let's use this time frame. I'm gonna go ahead and hide some of the indicators here. Okay, just so it could be a little clearer, okay? So look, this is what's going on, guys. This is what was going on. So price at that time was here. Okay, if we go back, we could see all right, you see, check it out, guys. Notice this is where daily entry was at. That was yesterday, right? We ended up manually entering a buy, which hit take profit 1. Then I sent the pending order signal to my students. Once I sent the pending order signal to my student, it did not trigger exactly right away, but price ended up triggering at that daily entry zone later on the day. During CPI news, price ended up pushing to go towards the right direction. So if we play the market, I'm going to show you exactly what happened here. Okay, right here, as you guys can see, this was too fast. Let's go back again. Zoom in. I'm gonna slow it down a little bit. All right, here we go. We could see, look, this is where the daily entry was at, okay? Price gave us that retest. Price went up, went right back down, giving us the re-entry. So this is exactly where my pending order triggered, right here, exactly at the daily entry open from Jackpot strategy. Once we had that entry, we could see price never went below that area. That was the first bullish move, re-entry opportunity, and now we are here. Now notice where we at right now. Right here, we are at a new daily entry. So this new daily entry here is represented as a support zone that's going to be pushing price to go towards the next destination. As I've been talking to you guys all week, price only goes from zone to zone, from the bottom Bollinger Band to the middle Bollinger Band, from the middle Bollinger Band to the top Bollinger Band, from the top Bollinger Band to the middle Bollinger Band, from the middle Bollinger Band to the bottom Bollinger Band. That's what price is doing. And this scenario here, price is pushing to go towards the top Bollinger Band. Now, once it reaches the top Bollinger Band, it can decide that it wants to go test the bottom Bollinger Band. But as long as price stays above dailies, above the middle Bollinger Band, above 50 MA, above moving averages from the Ichimoku cloud, all other confluences that we use to give us the right direction in the market, as long as all of those conditions are aligning for the buy, price is going to go to this destination, which is also the top Bollinger Band for the H4 time frame. So meaning the H4 time frame here is going to be the take profit zone where price is going to fully reach and give us a long-term take profit for a swing trade. That's how we was able to catch this move this week, because we understood price goes from zone to zone, and we were able to capitalize on the entry move going into the right direction here. This is why right now I'm in profit. I'm floating about $400 on this account. On this account, I'm a bit behind on it, but this was the best entry that I got, and overall here was the best entry. Notice since yesterday, when we were going over this and I was setting the signals, I've already set up my lines to show you guys exactly where the entries is going to be. And I showed you guys exactly. The entry is going to be here at the daily entry, which was the previous day's daily entry, like Monday. And then Tuesday, price give us a new daily entry around the same area. And then today, price retest that area. I also had a re-entry zone line right there as well to fully retest. Price retested that area, give us an entry here, then give us another entry here, and then I made sure I added another re-entry opportunity here again at the breakout when it's breaking out. That happened as well, and overall right now price is going in the right direction towards the next zone, which would be top Bollinger Band in this scenario, because price is buying. So on the H1, we are headed towards take profit 3394.14. So it needs to look like this. All right, we already got our entries from the daily entry. We are headed towards top Bollinger Band on the H1 time frame, just like this. All right, and the red line here was represented as my stop loss line. And as you could see, price went in the right direction towards take profit zone all the way at the top of Bollinger Band on the H1 time frame. I'm almost floating $500 profit on this move alone. Could have made more on it if I was just a little bit more focused and had some alerts. But overall, I already knew the direction and I was able to capitalize some way, some form. My team capitalized on this signal as well. We currently are in this trade right now. The pending order triggered. We are in this buy trade right now. And like I said, I know for a fact price is definitely going towards the next zone, because that's just what it does. There is nothing that's guaranteed, but in this scenario, 9 times out of 10, it will make its way up towards the top Bollinger Band on the H4 time frame, I believe by the end of the week. So if we are able to hold this trade a little bit long term, we could definitely make a huge amount of profit on this move overall. if we are able to hold on this trade long term. So let's say, for example, I'm able to have my take profit all the way up there. On just this move alone, I'll be making $1,000. But on this trade right here, put my take profit right up there at the next zone, of course, I'll be making a total of $1,700 in total on this overall setup as a whole. So guys, that's exactly how I'm able to do this, and you guys can do the same as well with the Jackpot strategy. You just got to apply yourself, show up, be ready to make the move, and then from there, lock in with me. Continue showing up. We're gonna continue doing this. As I mentioned, guys, I'm not going to be too long today. I'm going to be heading out to an event, but I will be back tomorrow, locked in. There's no need to send any new trades right now because we are already in the trade. Me and my students, we are already in trades. But if you do look for a new trade setup, maybe you close early or you did not take advantage of the perfect entry, your best bet right now is possibly doing a pending order at daily entry on the new daily entry from Jackpot strategy, which is right here. Or you just could manually enter this trade right now, hope everything goes your way, and then wait till you get to take profit right up there, because that's where price is going, guys. So make sure to lock in. Make sure to tune in to these live sessions. Learn, grow with us overall, guys. That's how you trade the market. I'll keep you guys updated once take profit triggered. Most likely probably by tomorrow or even at the end of the week. We don't know. You guys will know exactly what's going on, and we're going to lock in and win together. So that's all for tonight's session. Great job overall being patient on this trade and actually capitalizing on it. And that's it. Talk to you guys soon, man. Let's stay focused. Let's stay locked in. Have a good one.